This is PSDL, right?
It's yes.
1000171. Correct?
Yeah. Yes.
1000171. Correct. So this is 1000171. 71 will change the lower pressure. This is correct. Upstream intermediate MOV number is what? And this is 5 correct. Standard number 03 correct. This is okay. So guys, here we have to modify the tag number of TH. What is TH number? TH is this one. TH 1042.
42.
101102.
1001 42.
42.
01-42. No. This is TH is this one, no? 1011.
Oh yes,
Yes,
yes, yes. The old tag 41.
Yeah. 10101.
The alarm each.
1011. This is correct. So this will go. This will be correct. So now this is okay. ESDL 1071. This is correct. This is correct. This we have changed. This we have changed. 03. And what is FCB number? What is FCB number?
FCB just
This FCB?
100104 -04.
101101. No? This one.
1010 yeah 04 01.
1001-04.
But the old tag 04. Huh?
04. Why 04?
04. ايه اللخبطه جامده بجد والله العظيم.
So this FCB?
الريفيجن اللي اتعمل الهاسو بيتكلم للسيل كان نازل.
Mr. Sherman, the 101101 FCV, this is the new tag number. And the old tag number is 101104.
101104. I want the old tag number.
Yes, it's 04. 101104.
Okay.
1004.
Okay, 1004 correct. So this is correct. And what is DPH? Form section DPH?
اللي فوق ده اللي تحت.
What is DPH?
اللي تحت 01-04.
PDH
This is correct?
100114
Correct. Correct.
40 40.
Okay.
04 to be 40. 4 -040.
This is correct, no?
40.
40.
4 tens. 40.
40. Yes.
Dash 40. Not 0.
Remove 04.
40.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now we are going for next. PSDH. What is PSDH number? Same. 71.
This is the section. Okay.
71.
21.
Yes. PSDH. 71. Yes, correct.
Yeah.
This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. And this is correct. What is PT number? PT number ABC?
PT voting and the discharge. Now in the discharge.
No, ESD. PT number ABC will initiate ESD2.
ABC, yes. ABC. Just a minute. The common discharge is just
Yeah.
a minute.
Tag number?
Just a minute.
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you.
Yeah, okay, just a minute.
نسبة 810 A UC.
ايوه 101105 ABC.
1011-05 ABC, correct.